Meaning of grumbling.
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 Grumbling. The term grumbling typically refers to the low, continuous sound of discontent or dissatisfaction. It can also refer to complaints or mutterings made by individuals who are unhappy with a particular situation or circumstance. The result of grumbling can often be a negative atmosphere, as it can bring down morale and create tension or conflict among people. Additionally, consistent grumbling can lead to a lack of productivity, as individuals become focused on their complaints rather than on the task at hand. Thus, it is generally not a productive or beneficial behavior.